So let's talk about sleep. Let's talk about maybe some tips you can give our awesome patients on maybe what pillows to use, positions that they can sleep in that will help them rest and sleep well and wake up in a good mood.
In a good mood. Well,
You're like, I'm not
I
a miracle.
might not be responsible for that part, but
That's true. Maybe
pillows,
help.
yeah, maybe. So never sleep on your stomach. That's a big one.
Okay.
Because that's pretty hard on your low back, and it's hard on your neck too. Because if you imagine sleeping on your stomach, you have to turn your head really far to the side in order to breathe. Unless you go face down into the pillow, and that's not recommended either. So if you lie on your side or on your back is good. If you lie on your side, make sure your pillow isn't too thin to where your head drops to meet it, or too thick or it cranks your head up. You want like neutral position even if you're on your side. And a lot of the pillows out there are fine, like even the cheaper ones at Target are fine as long as they're thick enough. Like a medium density foam. Stay away from feather pillows because they have no support.
Oh man,
I know.
that's the one I use.
As long as you have like something underneath it though,
like
that
to
has
prop
more
it.
support, but make sure it doesn't crank your head up. So, and then those contoured pillows, some of the more expensive ones are kind of these Tempur-Pedic contour shape. Those are fine too. A lot of people can use those, and they support the neck and the head, which is great. But some people can't use them. For me personally, it hurts my neck, so I just use a regular pillow.
How can someone who is used to sleeping on their tummy change that habit? What would you?
Yeah, it just takes time. So it's hard to know what you're doing when you're asleep. So some people just automatically roll over there to their stomach. But I found that like even hugging a pillow when you go to sleep keeps you from rolling over. Some people find
That's
that
true.
helpful. So that can help too. Yeah, and then make sure your mattress is not too hard. You want support, but you also want like your spine to be straight, like neutral position also from all the way down from your feet all the way up to your head. So you can have somebody look at your side, like if you're on your side, look to see if you're flat, like straight, or if you're sagging down into the mattress, it's time to get a new one, or if your hips are turned, that means it's probably too firm if your hips are turned.
What about sleeping with no pillow? Is that okay?
No, you need
No.
support for your neck and your head, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. What about before bed? What can we do to make sure that we sleep well? What things
So-
can we avoid and what things can we do?
Well, I mean, all the typical stuff like stay away from screens a couple hours before bed.
Hours?
Yeah,
Like 2?
2 hours, yeah, before bed. I
Wow.
know.
I'm guilty of that one.
I am too. Taking a shower, a bath too helps. Using lavender oil to relax helps a ton. That works for me. I hate the smell of lavender, but I've gotten used to it. It actually works for me. Even putting like a couple drops in a diffuser, you can use that. Or if you take a bath, put a couple drops in your bath too. That helps to relax the body so you sleep.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Dr. Cowell.
You're welcome.
Great information. Bye, guys.
Bye.